Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So basically we are facing some login error or sign up error at Google AdMob. So today we are going to discuss this issue that we are facing on Google AdMob. So basically I personally face this issue, so I am sharing it with you. You can also tell us your experience about the login or sign up or your uh, issues all related to Google AdMob. So the issue is when we click on Google AdMob and click on sign in, the page doesn't load or it just end up with problem loading or the connection has time out. So again we are going to click this sign in option, and again it shows some error, some of error like secure connection failed or any other error. So basically it shows several errors. Now when we click sign up, then also it takes certain time and loads up a page connection time out or internet connection not available. However, all the things, all the internet or any other options are perfectly connected and all the other things are working fine, but the website is not working. We are also going to tell you that we have several apps on this Google AdMob, but we are not able to log into our account. However, the Google AdSense account is loading perfectly. As you can see, we are not going to show you most of the data as it is personal, but we are showing that it's working fine. So don't know what the issue is, but there is certain issue with the Google AdMob sign in issue. So if you have certain solution, then you can tell us. Otherwise we are not able to sign in from around November, starting of the November 2020. We are able to see our apps and the data on the application, that is the Android application. If you have pre-installed it, then you can see your application list and data there. But if you haven't installed it earlier, then you cannot install right now because the early access to the app is now full, so you cannot use it even to sign up or sign in if you have already not done it. So the issue, Google has not made it public if they have some issue with their site or what's the issue, but we are facing this issue from November 2020 and still facing. If you have certain solution, then do share with us. If you are also facing the same issue, then you can comment us and let us know that you are also facing the issue. And what's the solution for this? Do comment, because we are facing this issue from nearly 1 month and it's still persist, and Google has not let us know that there is some issue with their site, or they are developing or certain thing with the AdMob. People are also not able to sign up for the new accounts, and existing people are not able to sign into their accounts of Google AdMob. So the error is somewhere because any of the account is not able to log in. But don't know, we are from India and we are not able to log in here. If you are from some other country and you are able to log in, then do comment, do let us know that it's working somewhere else. We are not able to log into our Google AdMob account and see our apps statistics, data and earnings. Yeah, but we can certainly access it on our Android app of AdMob because we have pre-installed it. but now its app is also not available if you have not earlier installed it. So thanks for watching our YouTube video. Do subscribe our channel and like our video. If you have the same issue, do comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.